Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make story visible only to your friends on Messenger app. Want to make your story visible only to your friends so that other people couldn't see it? You can easily do it by editing your story privacy settings on Messenger app. Just follow these steps. Open up Messenger app on your smartphone and log into your Messenger profile. Click on your profile picture icon at the top left corner. Scroll down and find the section named Story. Open it up. At the top you will see a section Who can see your story. Just select Friends Only, so that only your friends could see your stories. After that, click on Save at the top right corner. That's it for this video. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make story visible only to your friends on Messenger app. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.